Keep going. You're on video.
Oh my gosh. I think you can. It's like thick when it goes down.
Ooh.
There's a lot of syrup there to chug. I'm just warning you.
Just keep going.
This will make you a man. We will never.
This will make you a man, Cody.
We will never call you gay or weird.
That much
fucking
anymore.
Yeah, I was gonna say, it wouldn't stop, but...
At least for at least 15 minutes.
Do it.
Fucking right.
Finish it up, bro.
You could like squeeze it if you wanted to.
Okay.
You got it. It's on the list.
You got it. Come on.
Knows, man.
Ah.
Ooh.
You're halfway done. Just keep going.
No shit you got there. Huh? Getting there.
That ain't nothing on you. Keep going.
Just squeeze it. Just squeeze it right down the throat.
Faster you get
No,
down.
it's not that. It's just it's so thick.
All right, you got to do this in 2 minutes. Hurry up.
I'll say that.
Is that what it is?
I don't know. Just giving them
There you go.
something to do.
Come on.
Squeeze the bottle and then do it. So you want
45 more seconds.
Oh, you're almost there, man.
You're really close.
You fucking got it.
Come on.
Come on, dude. Just finish
Don't
her.
stop. Just
Come
go.
on.
Finish her off. Fucking, you're a man.
There you go.
That boy.
Almost,
Keep
there you
going,
go.
man.
Going down.
Keep going.
Oh.
That a
There you
boy.
go.
Yeah, boy.
Fucking
Yeah.
champ. Come on.
Ah, come on.
Come on, fucking champ.
You got
You
it.
got 18 seconds.
Yeah,
Hurry.
come on.
Hurry. 15.
Come
What the-
on.
Come on. Do it.
There it is. What does it look like?
Looks like
Oh, shit.
Oh, what the hell?
I wanted to see some brown shit on it.
Yeah, I want to see some shit.
There's more, man. Come on.
Yeah, you're not done yet. There's
Smell it
more.
from here.
Is it bad?
Yeah, you smell.
No, I don't want to smell it. Give him some
Cody,
more.
you're the master.
You see that? Oh, that.
Oh, my God.
Oh, my God. The last one. It's like he's puking dipstick. Yeah.
I gave him.
Oh, the best part is this is on video.
maybe some bright light on.
Oh, God.
Oh, you can smell it now. You can smell it, yeah.
Cody, what did you eat, kid?
He drank a bottle of maple syrup.
I feel like that would be amazing.
He did.
He did the entire bottle in 2 minutes.
That's my question.
It was brown syrup.
Oh, it makes me want to fucking throw up. I just gagged.
Yeah, it's gotta smell good. Like you want to pour that on.
Oh, fuck no, I don't want to pour that on anything. Oh.
It sounds like diarrhea.
It looks like diarrhea.
Oh, God.
Coming out of his mouth.
Ooh, this is making me want to throw up.
Right? I
God, that is strong smelling shit.
Oh, fuck.
This shit is nasty because it's thick.
Oh, God.
Oh, this makes me want to throw up so bad.
It's not the singing, it's like the sound he's making that makes you want to gag.
I don't know, the smell got me. I gagged.
Feel better, Cody?
Oh. You just puked up a whole bag of sugar.
Congratulations. Wilford Brimley just got rid of your diabetes.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, the smell. Oh.